I confirm that I have gathered the necessary information about the Logitech Lift and will follow the guidelines to create a 1,300-word script. The Logitech Lift is a wireless charging base designed for Apple Watch Series 1 and later, and iPhone 8 and later. It also features a built-in stand to hold your phone at an optimal viewing angle. For the best price, click the link in the description. But what really caught my attention with the Logitech Lift was its sleek design and compact size. You might be thinking, isn't this just another wireless charging pad? However, there's something unique about the Logitech Lift that I want to share with you today. Therefore, let's take a closer look at what sets it apart from other products on the market. Deep dive next 900 words. First, let's talk about the design and build quality of the Logitech Lift. It has a sturdy metal base that keeps your device stable while charging, and the glass top is scratch-resistant. The compact size makes it perfect for small desks or countertops. But there's something I noticed when using the Logitech Lift: it gets very warm during prolonged use. There are several benefits to using a wireless charging pad like the Logitech Lift. For one, it eliminates clutter on your desk by keeping cables organized and out of sight. Therefore, you can focus on what matters most: getting work done or enjoying your favorite shows. However, I did experience some issues with connectivity when using the Logitech Lift with my iPhone. It took a few tries to get the phone to recognize the charging pad, but once it was connected, it worked seamlessly. But then I started wondering if this might be an isolated issue with my device. Rehook. Before we dive deeper into the pros and cons of the Logitech Lift, let me ask you, have you ever struggled with wireless charging pads in the past? Do you want to know the 3 things you need to know about the Logitech Lift? Resolution next 300 words. After using the Logitech Lift for a while, I noticed that it's actually quite efficient when it comes to charging your devices. It charges my iPhone at the same rate as my wall adapter, and it also supports fast charging for compatible devices. However, there is one thing to note about the Logitech Lift: it doesn't come with any cables or adapters in the box. Therefore, if you're looking for a wireless charging solution that includes everything you need right out of the gate, this might not be the product for you. In conclusion, the Logitech Lift is a solid choice for anyone looking for a compact and sleek wireless charging pad. It's easy to set up, efficient when it comes to charging your devices, and has a sturdy build quality that will last. For those who are interested in purchasing the Logitech Lift, I recommend checking out the link in the description below for the best price. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest reviews and product recommendations.